Meron na akong salad. I don't want to influence his decision.
You're not influencing because I know already mine.
That's why.
Hindi na ako. Wala ka mabuhay ko.
When di ba super final? Di ba super final? Walang ganap.
Wala.
Hindi na pa naman. The rest, wala lang.
I believe ibibigay natin kahit sa isang tao. I believe. Kevin.
Yeah, me too.
Kasi sabihin natin mo, matigas, walang puso, stand sila. Kevin na nga walang ginawa. Yung isa, ay, kahit na anong comment, wala. Ang dahil iba. Parang, is this a joke? Like, say,
Alam yung cartoons na yung Beaver, ano yun?
Beavis and Butthead?
Yeah, Beavis and Butthead.
Ganun lang siya.
Okay, wait na lang ako until matapos ng week.
But, si Ate Luz, Luz, kanino siya galit, yun ang pinupunturin niya. Hindi niya ginagamit yung... Which is obviously Carlo. So, this is Carlo. It's very obvious. Hindi naman pwede.
Ito din yun. So sorry for having that. I wanted to talk to you too. Natakot ako nung mga I don't know over with, just leave it out. Yeah, right? So you have the pen and paper. I learned how to cut hair here.
You learned how to cut hair here.
Just by cutting everyone's hair.
Ayos ah.
That's how I learned.
Ayos ah.
Sorry.
So your cut, wow, okay ah. Mas masarap yan kung may sigarilyo kung pinapanood natin.
Yeah, wala.
Kuya.
Wala na?
Kuya.
Wala ka ng sigarilyo?
Wala. Wala for today. Wala pang binibigay.
Si Gian may mga blande-blande pag niya sa kamay.
Wala kang mas maipis na brush dyan?
Yeah.
No,
Yan
they're
na
all
yan?
broke. And Kuya won't give us new ones. He wants everyone to have horrible haircuts.
Crazy.
You won't. I think we've asked for scissors and everything. Wala.
during our time, we're not allowed to cut our hair. Yeah, for the whole season.
Bakit?
Pati lalaki.
Yes,
talagang
everybody, boys and girls. Yeah.
Ilang months old? 4 months.
Mga 4 months. Although kasi I think my sponsor and my makeover. Kaya na-makeover sila close to the
Pare.
end. Yes.
Yosin natin.
Oh.
Oh. Sabi, wala pang binigay today.